DugDugi TV Jr. Today, we are going to learn our colors. Let's begin. This color is red. Can you say red? Red. Red. Great job! This color is blue. Can you say blue? Blue. Blue. Good job! This color is yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow. Yellow. Great job! This color is orange. Can you say orange? Orange. Orange. Good job! This color is green. Can you say green? Green. Green. Great job! This color is pink. Can you say pink? Pink. Pink. Good job! This color is purple. Can you say purple? Purple. Purple. Great job! This color is brown. Can you say brown? Brown. Brown. Good job! This color is black. Can you say black? Black. Black. Great job! This color is gray. Can you say gray? Gray. Gray. Good job! This color is white. Can you say white? White. White. Good job! Nice work! Now you know your colors. Let's play a game. Let's see if you can find the color red. Where is red? Great work! You found the color red. Can you find the color blue? Look closely. Great work! You found the color blue. How about the color green? Can you find the green? Great work! You found the color green. Can you find the color yellow? Great job! You found the color yellow. Can you find the color purple? There it is! Great job! You found the color purple. I had so much fun learning with you today. You did an amazing job. See you again soon.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.